ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಮೂಲದುರ್ಗ ಜಪವಿಧಿ ವಂದನತ್ರಯಂ. Salutation to Guru, Ganapati and Paradevata. First, my salutation to Guru. I visualize Guru in white dress, sitting in white lotus, holding Abhaya and Varada Mudra. I visualize my Guru in my Sahasraram, Mrughi Mudra. Om Gum Gurubhyo Namah. Om Gum Gurubhyo Namah. Om Gum Gurubhyo Namah. I salute Ganapati. I visualize Ganapati sitting in red lotus, wearing red dress, holding Abhaya and Varada Mudra. I visualize Ganapati in my Muladhara. I hold Dhyana Mudra. Om Ganapataye Namah. Om Ganapataye Namah. Om Ganapataye Namah. My salutation to Paradevata. I visualize Paradevata sitting in yellow lotus, wearing yellow dress, holding Abhaya and Varada Mudra. I visualize Paradevata in my Hrit Padmam. I am saluting through my Anjali Mudra. Om Shri Paradevataye Namah. Om Shri Paradevataye Namah. Om Shri Paradevataye Namah. Next step is Kotti Rakshigal. It has three parts. Taratrayam, Dashadigbandhanam and Agni Praharam. Taratrayam, clapping 3 times. Where we have to clap? My navel region, my heart region and my forehead region. This corresponds to Agni Mandalam, Surya Mandalam and Soma Mandalam. So the mantra I use is Astra Mantram. Sahasrara Humpal. Om Sahasrara Humpal. Om Sahasrara Humpal. Om Sahasrara Humpal. This was Taratrayam. Dashadigbandhanam using Astra Mudra. Om Sahasrara Humpal. 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 After 10 corners locked, protected. Now my next step is Agni Praharam. While I am chanting this Agni Astra Mantram for Agni Praharam, I visualize a protection layer of fire around me. Om Sahasrara Humpal. Om Sahasrara Humpal. Om Sahasrara Humpal. With this Kotti Rakshikal over. Now moving to the next step, that is Mantra Sahita Nadi Shuddhi Pranayamam. Here the chanting of mantras 1:4:2. 1 inhalation, 4 holding kumbhaka and 2 counts of exhalation. 1:4:2. Let me chant. Let me demonstrate it. Through my left nostril, I inhale for 1 count of mantram and hold it for 4 counts of mantram and exhale through right nostril for 2 counts of mantram and from the right itself I inhale for 1 count and hold it for 4 counts and 2 counts for exhalation. This is one round. So while doing Kumbhakam, you can press your, using your index finger, you can press your Ajna Chakra. Thumb can hold your right nostril, the other three fingers can hold your left nostril. One count of inhalation through left nostril. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Hold it for 4 counts. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. 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 Exhale for 2 counts. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Inhalation 1 count. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Hold it 4 counts. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. 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 Exhale 2 counts. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. This is 1 round. Second round, 1 count of inhalation. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Hold it for 4 counts. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. 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 2 counts exhalation. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. 1 count inhalation. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Hold it 4 counts. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. 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 2 counts exhalation. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Second round completed. Third round, 1 count of inhalation. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. 4 counts in hold. Om Hrim Durgaye Namaha. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Exhalation 2 counts. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. 1 count inhalation. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. 4 counts hold. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. 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 2 counts exhalation. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. This mantra chanting should be mentally done. For the demonstration purpose only, I verbally chant this 1 count, 4 count and 2 counts. It should be done mentally. That is called Mantra Sahita Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Now I am moving to the Viniyoga. Asya Shri Mula Durga Mahamantrasya Narad Rishi Gayatri Chandaha Shri Mula Durga Devatha Om Bijam Hrim Shaktihe Dhum Kilakam Mama Shri Mula Durga Prityate Jape Viniyoga or Shri Mula Durga Prasada Siddhyarte Jape Viniyoga. Next is Karanyasa. Om Hram Durgaye Angushtabhyam Namaha. Om Hrim Durgaye Tanjanibhyam Namaha. Om Hrum Durgaye Madhyamabhyam Namaha. Om Hraim Durgaye Anamikabhyam Namaha. Om Hraum Durgaye Kanishthikabhyam Namaha. Om Hra Durgaye Karatala Karaprushthaya Namaha. Now 3 rounds of Vyapakam using Mula Mantra. Om Hrim Durgaye Namaha. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Hrim Dum Durgaye Namaha. Next is Anganyasa. Om Hram Durgaye Hridayaye Namaha. Om Hrim Durgaye Shirase Swaha. Om Hrum Durgaye Shikhaye Vashal. Om Hraim Durgaye Kavachaya Hum. Om Hram Durgaye Netratra Vashal. Om Hra Durgaye Astraya Phal. Narad Rishi Gayatri Chandaha Shri Mula Durga Devata. This is Mula Durga Antarika Japavidhi. Here I visualize myself as Durga. Now I am going to Ayudhanyasa. What are Ayudhas of Durga? Chakra, Shanka, Abhaya, Varada. ಓಂ ಚಕ್ರಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಚಕ್ರ ಮುದ್ರಾ. ಓಂ ಚಕ್ರಾಯ ನಮಃ. Right upper hand will be holding chakra. Om chakraya namaha. Om shankhaya namaha. Om shankhaya namaha. Om abhayaya namaha. Om varadaya namaha. Next is bhushana nyasa. ಓಂ ಕಿರೀಟಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಮಕುಟಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಕಿರೀಟ only bending these two fingers. ಓಂ ಮಕುಟಾಯ ನಮಃ. All other fingers should be straight. ಓಂ ಚಂದ್ರಕಲಾಯ ನಮಃ. Crescent moon. ಓಂ ಪೀತಾಂಬರಾಯ ನಮಃ. Yellow cloth. Now Jnana. ಓಂ ದುರ್ಗಾಂ ಧ್ಯಾಯೇತ್ ದುರ್ಗತಿ ಪ್ರಶಮನಿಂ ದುರ್ವಾಧನ ಶ್ಯಾಮಲಾಂ ಚಂದ್ರಾದ್ವಜ್ವಲ ಶೇಖರಂ ತ್ರಿನಯನೀಂ ಆಪೀತ ವಾಸೋವಸಂ ಚಕ್ರಂ ಶಂಖ ವಿಷಂ ಧನುಶ್ಚ ದದತಿ ಕೋದಂಡಬಾಣಾಂ ಶಿರೋ ಮುದ್ರೇ ವಾ ಅಭಯ ಕಾಮದೇ ಸಕಟಿ ಬೃಂದಾಭಿಷ್ಟತಂ ವಾನಯೋ. How my visualization of Durga is says like this. Om Durgam Jayet Durgati Prashamanim. I meditate upon Durga. She is the eradicator or remover of all obstacles, all troubles. Durvadana Shamalam. She is dark green in color. Durvadana Shamalam. Chandradjwala Shekaram. Trinayanim. Crescent moon as her diadem. Crescent moon her as diadem, and she is having 3 eyes, 3 nayanim. Apita vasovasam. She is wearing pitambaram, yellow cloth. Chakram shankam ishu dhanuscha dadati kodandabanam shayor mudre va abhaya kamade sakati bhanda vittadam. Chakram, Shankam, Abhayam, Varadam, and she is the one, she grants all my desires. She fulfills all my wishes. Such Durga I meditate upon. After I transformed into Mula Durga, next is Manasa Puja to myself, because I transform into Durga. Om Vam Avatmana Jalam Kalpayami. Om Lam Pratipyatmana Gandham Kalpayami. Om Ham Akashatmana Pushpam Kalpayami. Om Yam Vayuvatmana Bhupam Kalpayami. Om Ram Agnatmana Deepam Kalpayami. Om Tham Amritatmana Nivedhyam Kalpayami. Om Tham Amrite Bhava Amrite. Om Tham Amrite Bhava Amrite Amritodbhave Amriteshwari Amritaparshanam Amritam Sravaya Sravaya Swaha. This is Dhena Mudra, Surabhi Mudra to myself. Amritam to myself. Om Tham Amrite Bhava Amrite Amritodbhave Amriteshwari Amritaparshanam Amritam Sravaya Sravaya Swaha. After Manasa Puja, now we have chant Mula Mantra. Of 100 times we should chant, but in demonstration purpose I do only 8 times. Om Hreem Dum Durgaye Namah. 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 After 108 times Ashtottara Shata Japam, Agri Pranayama. Agri Pranam is the one we have to inhale through my right nostril and hold it for 12 count of mantra, Mula mantra, and exhale through right nostril, same nostril, and collect that energy using your right palm with the help of left hand, left palm, and spread through our Vyapakam 3 times throughout your body. Let me demonstrate it. Om Hrim Dhub Durgaye Namah. 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 Om Hrim Dhum 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 Durgaye Namah. Do the Vyapakam for 3 times using Mula Durga mantra. Agni Pranayama. After Agni Pranayama, Vyapakam, after Vyapakam, Anganyasana, again Anganyasana. Om Hram Durgaye Hridayaya Namaha. Om Hrim Durgaye Shirasya Swaha. Om Dhum Durgaye Shikhaye Vaishad. Om Hrim Durgaye Kapachaya Hum. Om Hram Durgaye Netratra Vaushal. Om Hra Durgaye Astraya Bhal. Narada Rishihi Yahitri Chandaha Shimula Durga Devata Manathura. Om Bam Avatmana Dhilam Kalpayami. Om Bram Pratipyatmana Gandham Kalpayami. Om Hum Akashatmana Pushpam Kalpayami. Om Yam Vayuvatmana Dhupam Kalpayami. Om Ram Agniatmana Deepam Kalpayami. Om Tham Amritatmana Nivedhyam Kalpayami. Dhena Mudra. Om Tham Amriti Bhava Amrite Amrutodbhave Amrita Varshanyam Amritam Sravaya Sravaya Swaha. After Manasa Puja, Kuttirakshikar Talatrayam using Astra Mantra. Om Sahasraya Humbal. Om Sahasrara Humbal. Om Sahasrara Humbal. Dashadik Bandhana. Om Sahasrara Humbal. 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 Agni Prahar. Om Sahasrara Humbal. Om Sahasrara Humbal. Om Sahasrara Humbal. After this, Shamarpana. Yadakshara Padha Prishtham Matrahinam tu Yadbhave Tasrabam Shamyadadi Prasida Parameshwari. After this, we can chant either Lalita Sahasranamam, any Durga Suktas. For demonstration purpose, let me finish it here. Sartanga Namaskaram.